This tutorial is about how to create this Photoshop icon on Illustrator quickly and effectively in just a few clicks. What's going on everybody? So here comes Sri from Doodler Sri, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Photoshop icon on Illustrator quickly. So without adding further ado, let's jump into the process. So today we are going to make this Adobe Photoshop icon on Illustrator. So let's start. First of all, I'm just going to remake this. So I'm taking another document. So File, New. So I'm just keeping it as it is, like 612 by 792 pt. So what I can do here from Advanced, you can make it RGB since this is a wave thing, so it's not a print option, so I will make it RGB and hit OK. Okay, now what I will do is I will take the ellipse tool. First of all, I'm just clicking on the layers panel, like right hand side. On your right hand side you will see this icon, this is layer sign, and click on that, you will get the layer option. So here, double clicking on the layer, I'm just renaming the layer as icon. Okay, so now I will take the ellipse tool and I will just make an ellipse out of it. Okay, so now I need some gradient shades for this. So to get that, what I will do is I'm just dragging this behind and just making this up. Okay, so selecting this ellipse, I will just go to stroke and make it none. Go back to the color section. I will click on the gradient tool just below the color panel. So here is the gradient tool and I will click on that. So now I see that this gradient shade is like black and white gradient shade, but I want something which is blue because I'm going to create a Photoshop icon. So that will be a PS icon, your own PS icon. So I will go to the swatch panel here. As you can see here, I can select the swatch panel from here, just dragging it a little bit, yeah, like that. So now I will drag any color which I want and just put it on the gradient slider. So I need this one, so I'm dragging this one towards the gradient slider and put it here just on that box. So I got this blue color, and next I need to change this color also. So I'm going to particular this blue. Okay, so and dragging this same way I did for the previous one. Boom, so it's done. Now actually I need this one, yeah. Okay, so now as you can see, the type is linear. And another thing is, if you just click on this little icon reverse gradient, it will make just the reverse, but I don't need that at this moment. I need this one. So now from type I will make it radial. So here is the radial. Okay, and from your left hand side panel, as you can see this gradient tool, if you click on that, you will see this little line of gradient. From here you can change your gradient thing, like if you just drag your mouse and wherever you want to move that, it will do the same. So just like that. So if you want it from left to right, if you want it from right to left, from top to bottom, from bottom to top, anything will work. And if you just you can control the gradient, opacity, how much blue, how much dark blue you need and how much light blue you need, you can change according to this slide. If you just drag this slide down, it will make more darker. Drag this one up, it will make more light. Similarly, this, if you drag this slide up, so it will make more light blue, and down less light blue. Okay, so I just want it in the center, so I'm just making it like that. Okay, so yeah, that's one. This one is perfect. I think it's like a little bit, you can play it with here and there, so it's not a problem. Yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, now I will write PS on this one. So for that, I want to choose a specific font that is Mont. So Mont Heavy is one of my favorite fonts. It's a free font, it's available, and I've provided this font in the description below. You can go ahead and download this. So with this font, I will click on the caps lock and I will type PS. Okay, now what I will do is I will make this S little bit small, just like we see in the Photoshop, right? The S is a little bit small and the P is a little bit big. So I just wanted to follow that same trend, so just making it a little bit small, and I'm just doing it through guide, so that, so if you click on Control R on your keyboard, you get this ruler. So just drag the rule to make it on place, to keep it on place, just like that. Okay, so here I'm dragging this, and also I will check if the guide is locked. If the guide is not locked, it will be selected along with the font or the type you are using. Okay, so now I will select this both type and I will drag it to the center, and I will make it a little bit bigger, not much, little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So now I will just group it, and I will make the color light blue, just like that. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it's like that. Maybe I want it. Yes, that's cool. Okay, so here the fun parts begin. Now what I will do, I will just copy this particular ellipse, like I will go to edit, copy, and edit, paste in place. I will make it smaller. I will go to the fill panel and I will just reverse it, so it will just make the stroke the same kind of gradient. And from here, from the stroke weight, you can make it a little bit thick, like now it is 1, so I will make it 6. Okay, so here it is, maybe 7. So I want to just expand it so that I can play with the gradient a little bit. Yeah, it's like that. Yep, this is fine. Okay, so I will also add some stroke to this particular text. So I will go to here and I will change the stroke to, yeah, Blue is fine, I think. Okay, now I will select this text. I will go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow. Now here is some fun parts begin. So here what I will do, I will click on the color and make it white first, and the mode I will make it overlay, and opacity is like 30%, and blur is like 6. Maybe let's check it how it happens. Okay, so it's not much. Maybe I will make the so I'm making it more like 80%. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe 90% will be more good. Yeah, okay, so I'm happy with that. So I'm hitting OK. So here is my PS. Now I need another kind of effect. That's better, I think. That's better. Yep. Okay, now I'm clicking on the PS again. I'll go to Effect, same thing. I will repeat the same process. I will go to Stylize, Drop Shadow, but this time I will click on Apply New Filter. Okay, so now what I will do, I will repeat the same process, but this time I will change the color to dark blue. This will not work. 10, 10, 10. Yep, that's much better, I think. So I think we need to just play with this blur part more to get the more accurate result. Yeah, and I will just make this to 70%. Yeah, that's going to be fine. I think 50%. Yep, that's cool. Okay, so now it's 50%. So here you can change like the stroke also. Okay, this with other color option. Yeah, that's better, I think. Okay, so we are done with this. So you can play more with that particular part. Like you can play with other stuffs. Like I have made this with ellipse. You can also make this with rectangle, or like if you this is a square and you can drag this, make it this kind of shapes, and you can just play with that also. It's like that. Okay, so this will also work in that case. As you can see, this can also work. Okay, and for this you can just copy and paste in place, make it smaller, just making the stroke a little bit big, maybe. Yeah, that's 5. Just expand it and just making this and adjusting to your choice. Okay, so yeah, so I have made this two kind of things, so you can also use your own creativity to give it different shapes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have liked this video, please give your feedback and comment in the comment section, like what do you think about this tutorial, and if you have any better suggestion to create this kind of icon, also suggest me that in the comment section. So be positive, be awesome, be creative, be unique. Till the next time, bye bye.